AI in marketing, a game changer. AI is no longer a trend. It's the new standard. And in marketing, it's changing everything. Artificial intelligence allows businesses to stop guessing and start making smarter, data-driven decisions. Instead of hoping a campaign works, AI analyzes real customer data, behavior, interests, buying patterns, and turns it into strategy. That means better targeting, better messaging, better results. AI helps businesses personalize customer experiences, optimize campaigns in real time, automate repetitive marketing tasks, predict future customer behavior. Imagine knowing what your audience wants before they even ask. AI can analyze which content performs best, refine your target audience, and automatically adjust ad budgets for maximum ROI. It can even generate email subject lines, social media posts, and website copy, saving time while improving performance. One of the biggest advantages of AI is predictive analytics. Using historical data and machine learning, AI forecasts future trends and customer actions. This allows businesses to increase conversion rates, reduce wasted ad spend, improve efficiency, drive consistent revenue growth. It's not about working more, it's about working smarter. Today's customers expect personalization. AI makes it possible at scale. From customized recommendations to tailored messaging across email, social media, and paid ads, AI creates a seamless customer journey that feels personal and relevant. And when customers feel understood, they convert. AI also automates time-consuming tasks like email segmentation and scheduling, social media management, campaign reporting, and performance tracking. Your team focuses on strategy and growth, while AI handles the repetition. The future of marketing is intelligent. Businesses that adopt AI gain a serious competitive advantage. Those that don't will struggle to keep up. So the real question is, are you ready to leverage AI in your marketing? If you're serious about scaling your business with AI automation and smarter marketing strategies, DM Saham Marketing today or send a WhatsApp message to 832-672-9664. Let's build the future of your marketing, starting now.